Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do island hopping. You can do this activity in one day or living on board. We are going to explore 6 famous destinations: Padar Island, Pink Beach, Komodo Island, Takamakassar, Manta Point, and Kanawa Island. If you have short time, I suggest taking this one-day tour. But if you have much time and wanna have a new experience, you should try to live on board. First stop, Padar Island. It takes an hour with speedboat. One of the reasons why I put Badjo as my bucket list because I want to visit Padar Island. This island is unique, iconic, and fantastic as it is full of hills. And to reach the top of the hills, we need to pass through 800 stairs. It is exhausting, but you'll see the magnificent view. Rangers also warned you not to take a photo or rest in the mid of the way to prevent traffic jam. FYI, if you want to fly a drone in this area, you should ask for permission at least one day before the visit. Second stop, Pink Beach. Here we can do snorkeling. We do not expect the underwater life so beautiful. Sadly, we didn't borrow snorkel set, so we just walk around. Thank God we've been here. The pink color of this beautiful beach comes from coral shards and mixed with the white sands. This crowd means a lot for local people. After more than 2 years, COVID-19 hit their economically. Let's wish as well that increasing entrance fee will be cancelled. From 2,000k to 3.7 million is a lot. Third destination is Komodo Island, the most exciting place in this trip. We are guided by one ranger who will give us safety induction and inform us about the current condition of Komodos.
And around the track, no guarantee because Komodo are mating season. So I'm already walked 2 times, start early morning until now. In jungle nothing, only one Komodo are lay down over there.
We are so lucky to meet Komodo not too long after trekking.
picture of one Komodo. So one Komodo already take rest around the beach.
Another Komodo to meet in coastline. One is the mom and one is the baby. Here you can buy souvenirs, however some sellers force the tourists to buy their items 3 times more expensive than the others. Next stops are Takamakassar and Manta Point. Sadly, we don't capture any moment there, since there's strong wind in Takamakassar, so we cannot fly the drone. Also, we cannot find Mantare in Manta Point, so regrettably we need to continue to the next stop. Last but not least, we arrive in Kanawa Island. Just like in Pink Beach, you can snorkel or just stroll along the beach. Soon after the heavy rain is over, we jump into the sea. We cannot expect that visibility is clear down there. You can find a lot of sea urchins here, so you have to be careful and just follow the crew's instruction. Feel free to ask them if you have questions. They are really nice and very helpful. This trip costs 1.3 million per person, including lunch, snack, free flow mineral water, and pickup from hotel to port and vice versa. Overall, we are so delighted and satisfied with the trip. Snorkeling's full video will be uploaded soon. Visiting to this place is a must because it's worth every penny to see the wildlife that you won't ever see in other parts of the world.